Welcome to the concept classes Mafi. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter of physics of class 11th, motion in a plane. I am going to solve the numericals of that chapter. The numericals is question number 9 of exercise. Here is the question. A cyclist starts from the center O of a circular park of radius 1 kilometer. Remember that, students. Radius of the circular park is 1 kilometer and reaches the HP from here to H point P is 1 kilometer. That is radius of the circular park. When cycles along the circumference and returns to the center along QO, again from this point the cyclist starts along the circumference, that is PQ, along the curve PQ, and enters through point Q into the center QO as shown in the figure. If the round trip takes 10 minutes, total time taken by the cyclist is 10 minutes, then we need to find out what is the net displacement. Net displacement of the cyclist will be calculated. Okay, and number 2 question, average velocity of the cyclist, and third question, average speed of the cyclist. Students, here we have to solve for 3 questions. First question is net displacement. When you ask to calculate the displacement, you must understand what is displacement. Displacement is the least distance covered by an moving object. Suppose you are start from here and covered a distance from A to B, B to C, and come back to the point C. In this case, your displacement will be 0, because here the initial position of the object, initial position of the trip is from A, and final position of the trip is also A. It means your journey is start from A and end with A. Because of that, the displacement will be 0. Let's see. The cyclist start from center of the circular park O and cover a distance 1 kilometer to P, and then from P to Q along this, and then enter into the center of the circular park. See, the cyclist start from O and covering OP, PQ, QO. It means his net displacement is 0, because he started his journey from O and end with O. It means his initial position of the journey and the final position of the journey is remain same. Therefore, net displacement of the cyclist is 0. First question is solved. As initial and final position of the cyclist is same, then net displacement is equal to 0. Net displacement is 0, and then we need to calculate average velocity. Again, students, while you ask to calculate average velocity, you need total displacement. It means net displacement of the journey and total time taken for that displacement. Here the net displacement is 0. See, going to the next problem, question number B, average velocity. Average velocity is equal to net displacement by total time taken. Here students, here net displacement of the journey is 0. So substituting net displacement 0, total time taken is 10 minutes taken is equal to, it means average velocity is 0 meter per second. We have already solved question number A and question number B. Next, going to the question number C, average speed of the cyclist. Again students, while you are asked to calculate average speed, you just first find out the total distance covered and total time taken. See, I am going to first calculate the total distance covered by the cyclist. Question number C, the total distance is equal to C OP PQ and QO. Now adding OP plus PQ plus OQ, and now PQ is what? PQ is one fourth of total circumference of the circular path, that is 1/4 into twice pi r, and OP is equal to 1 kilometer, OQ is equal to 1 kilometer, that is radius of the circular path, r plus 1/4 into twice pi r plus radius of the circular path, and radius of the circular path is 1 kilometer plus 2 divides 4/2 into pi is equal to 22/7 into radius of the circular path is 1 kilometer. No need to give unit, write unit. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 divides 11/1, 11/7 is equal to 7 into 2, 14 plus 11, 25/7 kilometer, 25/7 kilometer. The distance covered by the cyclist is 25/7 kilometer. Now I am going to calculate the time. Total time is, again see, therefore total time is equal to 10 minutes. Now I am going to convert 10 minutes into hour. While you convert 10 minutes into hour, minute divides by 60. 10 divides by 60 is equal to 1/6 hour. Now I have already calculated total distance and total time taken. Now I will calculate the average speed of the cyclist. See, average speed is equal to total distance. Total distance is 25 by 7 kilometer, 25 by 7, and total time taken is 1 by 6. Now 25 by 7 into 1 by 6 into reciprocal of 1 by 6 is 6. 25 into 6, 150 by 7 is equal to 7 divides 15, 2 and 10. 10 divides 7 divides 10, 1, 4, 3 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the cyclist. Students, this is the average speed of the cyclist. This is the solution of this numericals of chapter motion in a line, question number 9. Like this, I will solve various type of physics related numericals of various chapter from here. Today I have started this. Students, remember one thing: if you want to expertise in physics, you just practice lot of mathematics. Without mathematics, you cannot do any numerical into the shorter shape. You cannot pick them out. Okay. Once H.C. Verma says, mathematics is the language of physics. Remember that mathematics is the language of physics. That is why maths is more important in physics. Okay, right.